Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Most Kenyans fear passing through a pathway like this because of fear of being mugged by bad guys. Because somebody may come, an individual may come from this direction, and this accomplice or partner come from this direction. So you're between them. You don't have a route to run or for safety. So you just have to surrender your property to them without any resistance. If you call help, people will not be ready to help you because they also fear of being marked by those bad individuals who may come for them later. Who may come for them later and mark them also, or some also may be killed. So they will not risk their life just to save you. You see? But anyway, that route that I've passed is safe. Nothing, no bad individuals there to mark me. It's a beautiful evening, so I'm taking some walking exercise and showing you my estate or area, how developed it is and how peaceful it is. People here are friendly, very friendly people. So if you are in danger, if you are in danger of being mugged, these guys may come and help you because they know you have been together for a long period of time, so they will not be ready to see you or seeing those thugs wanting to take your life. Just as easy as that. Yep. You see, hardworking man, working, pruning the fence. He chose, instead of going to steal from people, he decided to make himself busy and earn his fare or earn his wages fairly. You see how this route is very beautiful, very green. That's the beauty of nature. And these people who manage this fence are also good. They have kept it neat and well trimmed. Many people from different countries rarely see this kind of fences or green environment because of their harsh environment or climate. But here we enjoy seeing such kind of things. Yeah. You see, these routes in Swahili we call them panya routes. In short, we call in other name it is referred to as shortcut. When you need to reach at some places or you want to reach in an area very fast, you use panya route. Look at how this estate is beautiful. Very beautiful roads, good looking houses, light on the road. It smells security, or people are secured here. nobody fears but his life. We also have police station around. So when you call for help, they'll be there very fast to make sure that you're good. Nobody's threatening you, and you live in peace and harmony with your neighbors. And that is what we love, seeing security. When a place is well secured, even businesses thrive. People come there and invest without second thoughts of being robbed. You see how beautiful it is. That is a stray dog. That's a stray dog. He's also happy with the security in this area. Look at him, how beautiful he is. He is. In this area we call him Mutina. Or in Kikuyu, people in Kikuyu call him Mutina, mean dog. Look at this road, how sharp bend it is. So if you are a driver, you need to slow down before turning and go to another side, because you can easily cause an accident. Look how this environment is beautiful. That's a pipe, sewage pipe. Very green. Forest, maize plantation, trees, cow's food. Everything is nice, very nice. I love these people. They have a very positive mindset of development, thinking about development, not about ethnicity or anything that will derail development. They choose good leaders who prioritize their needs. Yep. Good leadership equals to good to development. Look how beautiful this area is. Tell me in the comment section, maybe my eyes are bad. I can zoom that area so that you can look. Positive mindset means development, good leadership, and integrity. That's what people in this area or constituency always choose. Walking around this area, you just feel, wow, very beautiful. Yeah. Look at this road. You see people doing business there, selling clothes, groceries. And most of them are women who wake up very early in the morning to do all these kind of things. Yep. Yeah. That's why I always say God bless women, especially those who work hard for their money and feed their families. Make sure every house chores or everything in their life moves smoothly. They don't depend for someone to come and help them or to chip in to save them, but they depend on themselves, work hard for their money, and and enjoy their money without any attachment on it or something that someone may want him or her to accomplish to him or to accomplish to him so that everything will be fine. No? Look at this banana tree. It has a very big stem. I don't know what is it. If it looks beautiful. I love that. Then that is avocado tree. People practice farming here also. They love farming. Hardworking farmers. Look at this environment. Look at how cool it is. Very cool. I love. Then we have very big buildings. This is a farm, someone else's farm. These are cows. Maize. Yep, maize farm. Then we have here panya root. Guys, these people are good people. They are hard working. So if you need me to show you more of this, please like, subscribe and comment so that YouTube will force this to more audience. Please subscribe. I'm just starting. So my English is not that good. I'm not that fluent, but we'll try. Thank you. Let's meet to another video. Thank you.